So even without your presence, your business has to run. Your business has to run. Freedom flywheel, we require to create. We require to automate. We require to create systems, ecosystems. Those ecosystems, those ecosystems can provide the results properly. So without our involvement, the things are going to work automatically. Without our involvement, the things are going to work automatically. That thing is a very important dosto. It should run automatically. Okay, like so that thing must be. So we require to build such a type of ecosystems. That thing is very, very important. Effort creates growth, but ecosystems creates momentum. Efforts create growth, but ecosystems creates momentum. Build engines that run even without your presence. We have to build such a type of ecosystems. Okay, very, very simple. Very simple. Lead. So everything is automated. Assume that everything is automated. Without you, the business is going to run automatically. In that flywheel only, decision making already I added. Next, automatic growth also I added. If I build such type of ecosystem, can you please imagine once how the life will be? Very simpler, right? Very simple, right? Okay. So we require to think about systems. I told right multiple times, sir. Whenever in Shirdi somewhere, whenever I'm come across McDonald, immediately my elder son is telling, Baba, your favorite McDonald came. Your favorite McDonald came. Why McDonald is my favorite?
They build systems.
They build systems. Without owner, happily the thing is going on. Just in this rural area also, the system is working. Believe me, McDonald owner never visited this place. But still, happily the business is going on. We require to build systems, ecosystems, which are going to run automatically on their own without our involvement, without our pushing. Such type of things must be required. Wherever I'm seeing McDonald, or wherever I'm seeing KFC, wherever I'm seeing DMart, okay, the things are running automatically without owner involvement. Believe me, KFC owner never visited Hyderabad KFC any store. But hundreds of stores are running in Hyderabad. Because they build a system. They build ecosystem which is going to run automatically on their own. Such a type of systems we require to build, man. Oh, morning to evening, I will involve each and every activity. Everything should be in front of me only. The things are going to be happen. The control should be there in my hand. Compulsory required to involve each and every step. Every decision I only has to take. Then we can't build businesses. We can run only pawn shop. Remember. So let go. The control you have to delegate. Don't feel that if control gone from my hand, then everything will be gone like that. No. That is the way. That is the way for your growth.